Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Study class. Today we are going to start our seventh lesson, which is Tulsi Meher Shrestha. So Tulsi Meher Shrestha lana kiranki the picture na lo la thongki re ra and the stage dosh tua. 1955 la Quran ke re ra ani thongyo di 2035 la ani he passed away. So Quran di lo di khazu samate dulana lo keju samate durwa, and he was a great social worker. So social worker lana someone who works for the benefit of the society. Tulsi Meher Shrestha was a great social worker of our country. He was born at Bolakshetol, Lalitpur in Pus 1955 BS. When he became an adult, he found the conditions of the society deteriorating day by day. There was inequality in the society. Social evils like untouchability and exploitation prevailed in the society. He thought that as long as these social evils and equality remain, a society cannot progress. He felt the strong need to eradicate all these social evil in order to bring progress and unity in the society. So he started awareness arousing activities for social integration. He became a popular social figure. The Quran kesa di Nepal rangche ani Quran 1955 la Bolakshe la told Lalitpur ki told chila ke those ra, and when he became an adult, he found the condition of society deteriorating la the Quran adult chatu la ra da Quran ki kanje dochi tondula na he have seen our society deteriorating la worsening la da turu to lai do anji ki society di nima shindula ni turu to yo tondos ra. And he have seen that there is an inequality in this society. Quran ki chizo nanglo tang ji Nepal society nanglo la Quran kaps la ni inequality yo ra, not treating equal. So on the basis of caste la ina re ra kawa gi thone ina re ra, and social evils like untouchability and exploitation prevail in the society. Untouchability lana discriminating people on the basis of caste ngajiki rigma ta rig thwala ni ngajiki ewa che tang, and exploitation lana ta chidang la treatment chidang di mi yagala na re khala ra rig ya dila ta this chi thwa do che respect che tang rigma din zola ni ngajiki public property, public places tinsula visit chela restriction che ta indi che indi dosh you kan la kept your dosh korangi tondus ra. So he thought that as long as these social evils and inequality remain, a society cannot progress. Quran ki kan like samdulana dwa the thanda the social evils tinso the untouchabilities tang tinso thanda sama khala thanda the na la da da anje ki chizo de nang lo la di if it continues la ra continue chak na dwa anje ki khala ore chizo di yargi dui mares ta korangi samdang la inde doshli to ra thoughts ji. And he felt to bring a progress and unity in the society. The Quran ki khandi chodu la na dwa strong needs to eradicate lana the destroy chua thanda nganji ki social evils so meta tanga la ra, and Quran ki inde do so do sra nganji ki na chizo na lo yo social evils so changma megyo so do sra in order to bring kare progress and unity in the society. Chizo na lo la nyam khala ore chikpa laura ni yarge chita an chizo no la nga ji changwa la treatment chida chikpa yunga chitula khang koitula na we have to eradicate lana megyo so to put into end lana thire ra yana destroy chiwa nga ji social evils di megyo so go do lan kurang gi inde chorwach ke dos ra and then he started to raise awareness activities for the social integration the chizo nanglo la unification la ra integration la na unity le chidang mix chaga chidula and cranky awareness campaign do tang awareness activities do chidus ra mila educate chidula and then he became a popular social figure the chizo nanglo la society nanglo la kran kedak chimbu do chichatos ra. Nepal was under the Rana rule at that time. The Ranas were threatened by the growing popularity of the Tulsi Meher. They did not like his act and doubted a conspiracy in his activities. Thus, Ranas exiled him from the country at the age of 21. So, Nepal the cups la 1955 1955 the 1955 the Quran ki and the pargap de la ni Quran Rana ki rules na lo redwa the two cups la Rana ki regime ki period to redwa and Ranas were threatened by the growing popularity of the Tulsi Meher. The Tulsi Meher di ta kera chimbu cha Quran ki public figure di cha tu ani Quran khala Ranas tin zote chena do cha tos ra ta Quran zo ki chini ku chini ngan zo ki khala legal la ti chi kyu li na li mena landa so si ki in the doubt the chakiro mi shimba chi keta do cha tu and they did not like his act and doubted a conspiracy in his activity. The Quran ki lega di nanglo la ni thokpa do mangbo sa ni planning so plot mangbo chi in the do chi dwa Quran ki lega din so ta in the la doubt mangbo ki dos ra. Thus Rana exiled him from the country at the age of 21. The lo ni shitsok chi into caps la ra Tulsi Meher Quran la and exile la and banish res ra sent away laura ta tun share lungba nanglo ne Quran ki lega dilan Quran su ki maga ne laura. Tulsi Meher was not a man to give up things very easily. He was a man of strong determination. So Tulsi Meher lana ko 100 dosh lana he's not a man to give up easily. Ta lamsa nga gi ta ide chaksong alungba ni te song ajinga ngotsa la tang ani nga nga life spend chiko ta inde mewa che ro nga give up chigi me lai cho akhande chana ya. He was a man of a strong determination. Lana ta pet Quran ki khala or strength hu gyo Quran ki leba nalo la rangu ni rang mai nalo la set up chi sai gyo la ra. Industry those ra ta nga di chik chisana nga continue chigi yi lai cho in the mishre those ra. And then he went to India. In India he met Sutudulana Mahatma Gandhi who was launching a movement to free India from the British rule. So Krang lo nishitsakchikla he was banished by this so he banished chilana ranas dinjiki Krang la country ni those ra. And Quran Shugla Khad Dudulana he went to India and then there he met Sutudulana Mahatma Gandhi Thukshas Ra. Mahatma Gandhi the Khanchidulana the Kapsla he was launching lana starting latta Gotsuwa. He was launching a movement to free from the two Kapslan Quran ki launch Khanchidulana it's a movement Doshra a movement the Khanchidulana Quran to the Kapsla India the British ki yola yures ra British ki under la yure and dila movement chit those ra the movement lana da Quran ki khandesh ki thone ngan ki British ki yo ni thungo du ta free chako du ta la ne da Quran chu ki ide lega do chit ra. So Tulsi Meher was greatly inspired by the Mahatma Gandhi the Quran chu ki Mahatma Gandhi ki tung din chu mangbo hakku ki yu ki ra in case Quran ha ma na YouTube la search na che yures ra. And Quran of Tulsi Meher the Mahatma Gandhi Quran ki lega chigyo latani pe Quran inspired chatus ra and then he joined the Indian independence movement la Quran chuki joined shishas ra ta Quran joined chidus ra independence movement chidla the main the movement the independence chidta ra India the khare British under la yudu kapsla the independence kwai chidla movement the Quran chuki start chigyo re ra and this start chido ni Quran inaya Tulsi Meher Kurang Sunyam Dula join Chidos, Rata support Chidos. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of movement was based on peace, non-violence, service, self-reliance, and discipline. So, Kurang ki movement di khande re dula na ruang anzu ki la tu khala ore Dalai Lama di love, compassion, ani anzu ki non-violence, peace lan lai ruwa di nangshin ki Tulsi Meher las Mahatma Gandhi khongrang ki khande re dula na main philosophy di Kurang ki main belief che di la ora peace che non-violence tang violence nzu mewa che ani shembala service che tang self-reliant lana self-independent la ora shembala dependent mewa che self-independent and discipline. Tulsi Meher returned to Nepal in 1981. BS after 6 years of exile, he was very much influenced by the philosophy of the Mahatma Gandhi. He wanted the people to be independent. So, in 1981, Lani Kurang lo took some ladu Kurang lo nishu chaptu Lani Kurang Nepal la back le dos ra return. Jidu kapsla Kurang lo ni sapti rishra. He was very much influenced. The Kurang khala Mahatma Gandhi Kurang ki philosophy la tani ra Kurang ki khala ore so Kurang ki philosophy la bet Kurang ki khala ore influence chani main belief chitan dil ta ra Mahatma Gandhi ki belief chitan di mostly the movement di khari ro thondu peace che non violence che self independence che discipline dinju thoni Kurang bet Kurang ki motivate chas ra ngai na yang azu ide china di du lan ra and he wanted peoples to be independent the Quran ke kan samjal na nganju ki mere kunjo la yang independence khoi du ra di du kapsla mang che sangma rana ki rules na lo lo yetu ra da khyo ki riki la yetu nganju mixi ki ya ma independence ta inde mewa ra kan china chi chwa me gyo na sing ki dang even di kapsla kenan chu ki khonyu yi gi re Darbar High School di ta lobta thangbu do chaki ra high school lobta tang dinjo kapsle na yang Quran ki khyo ki review tang an Quran ki pingya dinjo la mashi lobta la eten chi chu ki mare he encouraged people to make their own clothes with the help of a chakra. Thus he launched chakra movement in the country. So Quran ki khang chidela na Tulsi Meher ki Quran ki susu ki mirik dinjo la rang dua Nepalese meet dinjo la encourage chinera we have to make our own khale Nepalese clothes ra susu ki tulo di rang so gore susu ki rang ani tulo di soe chitla chakra lai da je ki chakra do shure da spin che wheel do kholo da do shure digi thoni ani tulo soe yore ra and then he launched the chakra movement in the country Nepal la in the country this start chitos ra. The Rana Prime Minister Chandra Shamsher again became very suspicious about his activities. The suspicious lana doubt chawa. Thado yang Quran ki lega dilape doubt chatu usra. In order to please the Prime Minister and to continue the movement, Tulsi Meher established an organization called Sri Chandra Kamdenu Chakra Pracharak Mahaguti. So Quran ki Prime Minister Prime Minister la khala please share chidula na kipo share chidu happy share chidu ra Quran la satisfy share chidula Quran ki sopa chi gotsuk shas ra sopa diming la khan radla na Sri Chandra Kamdenu Chakra Pracharak Mahaguti lani chik start shas ra. These organizations emphasis on the discarding the use of the foreign clothes and giving more importance to the homemade woven cotton clothes woven in charka. So chakra. Quran ki main the importance the quality du lana ra organization ki emphasis lana importance the manchu ki discarding lana to get rid of lagira foreign clothes jo chilungba ki tulo de jo yora din jo changma pijin matang wa che susu ki homemade lana da susu ki lungba nanglo la country nanglo la tulo yugyo sugyo din jo la importance materials jo la thonang mang ate inde do chi Quran ki start chishas ra. He lived a very simple life, wore a simple clothes, and encouraged people not to depend upon others but to be self-reliant. The Quran ki personality chikhande lana, personality lana ya. Quran thidang dikhande lana pet Quran ki simple laura and simple tang to lo khunda din ina ya pe simple interest and Quran ki mi shemba la ya encourage chua ra manzu imba ina susu la mi shimba la dependent me bache susu self reliant hedi ke chimpu re la ni indi Quran ki khawa dona message to ti du usra so self reliant la tu manzu ki self independent. The Charkha movement was not liked by the Bhim Shamshed, the Rana Prime Minister. He banned the Chakra movement, arrested the Tulsi Mayor and put him in prison. So, the two kapsla, it was again not liked by the Bhim Shamshed ki Khamidosra. He banned the Chakra movement and he banned Chikotukdosra, stopped Chikotukdosra and Tulsi Mayor arrest Chinira. He was put it into prison la thak shas ra ta jail nang la thak dos la re Tulsi Meher remained in the jail till he was released in 2007 ta Quran release macha sama Quran jail la the shas ra ta ngidong thui samala after that after the downfall la na ta Quran chuki kesi di la ra Quran chuki time period di Quran chuki Tulsi kyo Quran chuki Rana Quran ki downfall chala na da Quran ki power di the fall chale the megyo chale ra power di means the Tulsi Meher became free to continue his work of social reform after the advent of the democracy. Ta didu kaps la khang chala na kyo ki khang la ora kisi din so megyo chai ta and democracy di start chare la the mangzu di start chare la ro advent na start la ore. He established a social organization called Gandhi Smarak Nidhi in 2008 la Quran ki chokpa chi go chuk shastra ming gu khan red la na Gandhi Smarak Nidhi lai re objectives the khande dosh re la na ra chu khoi gi ta reasons the to provide a food shelter and clothing to the poor orphan and the helpless people anju ki khala dun chu te tang khangba te tang and to lo kwe mi kyo bu din chu tang phama mi kyo bu din chu tang ani helpless la na ta anju ki wong bo mi kyo din chu mi din chu la ra next one is to eliminate the illiteracy and bring about a harmonious development in the country. To eliminate the illiteracy lana the unable to read and write la ra ta lobjo megyo de la eliminate che tang megyo swe tang ra and to bring about a harmonious development in this society or country nang lo la ni shite lech la ani di chokpa di chu re la ra to sorry di thanda di par gap du cops la mixi ki lighting di chni sari inte seo mindu ra ina ya together digi sari Tulsi Meher's reputation spread far and wide as a recognized social worker. At that time, women were very much exploited in the society, and in order to bring about awareness and raise the status of women, he conducted education, short and long-term training programs. So Tulsi Meher Quran ki khan la ora repetition la ora the status the pet Quran ki ta mit sangma ki kwe ta ra falan da tharing bo ta ani kyachim bo mong bo kyap res ra Quran social worker chi re lan ra ani indi dash khodu sura sangma ki and the cops la ani women were exploited la da women so pe mongbo biju tang are la da society nang lo la chizo nang lo la ra ta ditu kaps la mang chis ngan ju ki male dominant society la ru phula priority mang ate la so pa to ta phomo la this ching nyu ata even the thanda yang ye re ra ngan ju ki male la si mare la mere ye re ra in order to bring the awareness and raise the status of the women ta phume ki khan la ore status ti yerge tanga chidu tang ani shembala awareness create che chidula he conducted education short term and long term training programs nzo go chu to sra phume chidula In 2033 BS, he was awarded the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for the international understanding of the by the government of the India. The government of the India ki ro award kita chimbuchi Jawaharlal Nehru Award di kurang la pudus ra ani di pudu kaps la ni kurang la like amount chi pisha chi ngui chi ra re ra ngu di khazo re la na 145,000 lana bumchik ta tonda shibchi shenga doji Indian ICG pudus ra and he donated the whole amount of money for women's training center the phumi ki training center di chitla kurang ki pisha rakyo ni ngui di sangma pudus ra donation ti dos. The great social worker died on Asoj 11, 2035 at the Bir Hospital. The Payil around Chongshas Bir Hospital. Tulsi Meher Mahila Ashram was established in his memory in 2036. The Tony Kurang logic samni ani Kurang ki kala sim kala orda simsu laure da Kurang ki mingdi da delay chidura. Manzuki ngo shen chidla ni kurang ki memory chidla chik ashram do chi capture asra ta ashram la tu manzuki thesa lagora kingo ta din zu thesa lagora ta dila thesa disu chidre la na mahila chidre do usra mahila la na phumo lagora phume lagora. A number of the organizations have been named after him. That this shugla organization sokpa mangbu kurang ki ming ki yogla capture asra country desh lana Tulsi Mehr UNESCO Club, Tulsi Mehr Samaj Seva Puraskar, Tulsi Mehr Sadan Mahaguti. Tulsi Mehr Shrestha is looked up as a Gandhi of Nepal. Ta manju ki kyar ki Gandhi ladu nangshin ki Nepal ki Gandhi ladu and Tulsi Mehr lani ngo shingi re laidu. So there are key terms in yore advent lana beginning conspiracy lana manju ki plot chashi shad in do kurang ki deteriorating lana worsening, determination lana strength of mind, discarding lana removal, eradicate lana end, exile lana banish, integration lana mixing, self-reliance lana independence ta inde do shire ro sama gi key term la check chiro chi ani yapu go chue ki ta ngai gi rewa ye ani in case yang gom ha chu wa ina ya go ni khala or kya tu ta ro chi lai. Thank you.